In this guide, we'll show you how to wire a Pureline Master Flo II 1 horsepower for a 115 volt circuit. Tools you'll need. Step 1. Remove the motor's power panel cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 4 screws. Step 2. Switch the voltage plug to 115 volts. Using your needle nose pliers, move the green voltage plug from the 230 volt socket to the 115 volt socket. Step 3. Connect the conduit. Connect the conduit and its liquid tight fitting to the motor's control box, then pull the wires through the conduit. Step 4. Prep the ground wire. Using your needle nose pliers, make a candy cane shaped bend in the ground wire. Step 5. Connect the ground wire. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the green screw, hook the ground wire around the green screw, then retighten the green screw to secure the ground wire. Step 6. Connect the power wire. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the L1 terminal screw, connect the hot wire to L1, then retighten the L1 terminal screw. Step 7. Connect the neutral wire. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the L2 terminal screw, connect the white neutral wire, then retighten the L2 terminal screw. Step 8. Reinstall the power panel cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the 4 screws to secure the panel cover. That covers the steps for wiring the PL2801KM Master Flo II pump for 115 volts. If you have any additional questions, visit us at enyopools.com.